What's up, everybody? I hope everybody is doing good. A very, very good evening to everybody. Hustling Muscles, very much here. And I'm going to be joined by Gauri. I hope everybody is having a great Saturday, a good Sunday. I think it's going to be a sports filled Sunday. So I think there are quite a bit of matches lined up. So it's going to be a very, very India Pakistan. So it's a sports filled weekend, and Liverpool versus Manchester United. And to top it off, we will also have the Formula One American Grand Prix happening. So I think it's sports filled Sunday. Hey Gauri, what's up?
Hi Prateek, yeah, Manu's playing, right?
Man, you're playing Liverpool.
Liverpool, my
So
God, that's like an amaze. That's gonna be an epic match.
that'll be an epic match. I think Barcelona versus Real will be an epic match again. And then I
Absolutely.
think India versus Pakistan is what we all
Pakistan, that is
have.
has to be. Oh my God, oh my God. There's so much of political controversy over that, but that's for another show altogether, I'm sure.
The controversy. There's nothing without controversies in life. Even my
Absolutely.
transformation has had controversy, no, Gauri? We were nobody to controversies. People trying to say, no, he must have taken this, he must have taken that, it's not possible.
Oh my God. Oh yes. Those controversies, definitely.
Hmm. Okay, Gauri. So today I think you are a better judge of explaining the topic that we're going to be talking about.
Mhm.
So why don't you give a heads up of why we're connecting, why we're going live today, and what's your take on the topic? And I shall also be contributing.
Okay, perfect. All right. So I think talking about the controversies about your transformation, I think that is we'll just take it up from there because it's about the results. A lot of people want to go through a transformation, especially when they see their friends go through one, and like I know you've been getting a lot of comments about, "अरे तू कहाँ से कहाँ तक आ गया?" and it's like such a big
Hmm.
deal. Um, and everybody's like, क्या किया हमें भी सिखा दे, and everybody assumes like you're going to be telling them and it's going to happen for them, and everybody
Because that's how it happens nowadays. No, honestly,
absolutely, yeah.
anybody has a transformation, they become a fitness trainer. But somehow that's not within my ethic
Ex-
rights. I don't
but
think that is right.
and ethically it's not right. You're right, it's not correct. Just because you went through a transformation doesn't mean unless you have those
See,
kind of that background.
correct,
But
correct. See, that's why I've always told everybody, since we're talking about transformation, there's a team. I've had a team who've helped me. There, somebody to deal with my diet, somebody to deal my weight training, somebody to advise me on cardio, somebody to keep upping my game. I've also had people motivating me during these tough times. Yeah, there have been people there. The pain that
absolutely.
I went through, my legs, my back, my calf, we've had people advising me there, Pratik, do this, Pratik, do that. So it's not been a single person's game over here. So it's an
Absolutely.
absolute teamwork.
Absolutely, and that's what I wanted to talk about today. It's everybody sees those results and thinks. I mean, they're seeing you after a while, but they
Hmm.
as people. When I say they, and it's the people who are looking on, the onlookers. They see it and then they're like, अरे transform हो गया, कैसे हो गया, and they think it's an instantaneous game. um, and there are a lot of I've been going through a lot of reels and reading a lot and about some of the things that hold people back from actually gaining their results, gaining their transformation results. One of
Hmm.
the biggest things is expecting results instantaneously.
That
Okay.
doesn't work.
Yeah. So, I mean, that is, and just to do that, people will push themselves in some very weird ways, or, take away something which really doesn't help the process.
See,
So,
let me give it with an example. I remember when I
right.
was in Bangalore, I used to Google it. I used to
Hmm.
Google, okay, the best way to lose weight quickly, and there would be a bunch of exercises and things like that. I would try that.
Absolutely.
I'm like, this should work, but it doesn't. I only expanded.
So, exactly, because what happens is when you exercise, a lot of people don't realize that when you exercise, you get hungry.
Hmm.
Okay. And when you get hungry, what do?
You eat.
You eat, but you eat mindlessly, then that's going to be an issue. But if
Agreed.
you eat to help that transformation, you're going to get your results over a period of time. Nothing good comes instantaneously. We have to work at it.
See,
Whether
quick
it's the,
results don't
yeah,
work.
absolutely. Absolutely. I
Yeah,
mean, even if I said that they do work in the person trying to get that quick result would have to put themselves through a lot of unnecessary things. I think one of the biggest examples was when you wanted to do quick results. How much did you push yourself to
I pushed
exercise?
myself a little too much. There was a time I was only working out. I've told this repeatedly. There was times I used to work out mornings, evening. I was behaving as if I'm like a pro athlete going to represent the us in the Olympics. But yeah, that is how I was working out. I was
And what
training
did you come
myself.
back and say to me? What did you say to me?
This is not sustainable. That was my
And
first word.
काटा हिल रहा था क्या?
How it
What
did.
were
I
you
was
able to get those results?
see. I won't say kanta. I never looked at the kanta. I
I
went
know
to
I
wait
know
inch
you know what
loss
I
पे हो
mean.
रहा था.
Yeah.
I- Okay. So see
And you
that is the thing. See, that is the thing. We read, we don't understand. The problem is if it's there on the internet, we take it like a recipe somebody is trying out. Okay. Oh, this recipe sounds good, and they make it, it's good. But fitness is not a recipe, iska thoda, uska thoda, masala dala, tuk, 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 and here it is. It doesn't work like that. People have to understand you have to go to a set of professionals. See, there are different type of professionals. People are clever enough, they have to analyze their trainers, go to their trainers. Okay, guys, this is there, that is there. These are the people that who can show results, who cannot. Understand there's nothing. The doubts we've heard over the time, and this new range I'm seeing where people have started carrying weights. I
mm,
thought at times I feel I carry heavy weights, but when I carry it, I at least try to see my execution is at least 90% right. I can feel it, and I also try my level best, especially when I'm doing a seated chest press. I don't tear my muscle or something. But nowadays, I'm looking at things like deadlifts and something like a squat. People are doing it with crazy weights. And there are people who do it. They put it on the internet. Guys, they have practiced to reach there. You can't suddenly just expect to, go in and carry it. Maybe you're able to, but
Pratik, I've seen
the
absolutely one
injuries
of the
that can happen to you in the long run are very, very huge. I think
forget the
people
long
don't realize
run.
that.
Forget the long run. I have seen people's knees buckle the wrong way. It's that traumatic. You can't get into something like that when you're not prepared. Okay?
It's not
And
prepared.
train
Tell people about this. The funda of carrying heavy weight, the funda of trying to do an athlete's workout for yourself. Does it work for a general person? How should a general person?
remember absolutely that's a great point. I mean, normal people trying to do an athlete's workout is is I'm sorry, but the stupidest thing you could actually do to yourself. Okay, one is you're putting yourself in harm's way in terms of injury. Okay, the kind of injuries that can happen are unbelievable. And second thing, it's absolutely unsustainable.
Hmm.
You cannot have that kind of coming from 0 and jumping to 10 and trying to sustain that 10 for the next try to sustain that 10 even for the next one week 2 weeks. It's impossible. athletic Athletes who train for whatever sport they're training or whatever event they're training, they go through a huge sustained program before they even come to that athletic level. Believe me, when I mean the books, I think there's a book, they talk about things like expert level. To reach that expert level, you have to do something over and over and over again to be able to be at that level. And that's what athletes do. If you have not gone through a huge, haven't gone through a sustained training program, adding large amounts of weight to your weight training is going to injure you. It's just that's the first thing. And second thing, it actually does not give you the results because, like you said, wear and tear. And
Hmm.
when you don't have the adequate nutrition to give you the repair for that wear and tear, that means the scar tissue formation, although will show you bulk, will not reduce the weight or the fat percentage. It doesn't change your body composition. Okay, so the fat percentage and all that,
See,
it doesn't
see,
work, change.
See that is what I'm trying to tell. That is what I've tried. I try. See, I lifting weights. Understand something? When I lift weights, I've been lifting weights for quite some time. I've been in gyms and around since the age of 19. So, and I've worked with professionals. I've been corrected and trained by enough professionals on my execution and everything, and that's how I've been able to push myself. And it's not that when I started, as I've told you, I started with a simple 4 kg dumbbell. I showed you that old rusty dumbbell. I still have
Yeah.
that. That is where I started, and I've progressed. And when it comes to something like a squat, I'm going back to a regular squat again. That is a barbell
Mm-hmm.
squat. So
Right.
I'm actually doing it almost with free weight just to get my execution right. And I'm only adding weights as and when I feel okay, I'm supposed to. You know,
Mm-hmm.
it's step by step. Though I can do a seated leg press or a lying down leg press with great weights because I started and progressed. It is all about progression. You have to wait and
So
see.
all
You
about
just can't, decide that I want to
wait,
jump and do it.
that's not the only thing it's about. So if every time you want to see a result, you want to see results, it's not just about progression. It's also about variation. So
Hmm?
variation comes in the minute you feel that or you see that you're hitting a wall where certain parameters that you are looking for as a goal are not coming down or not shifting. There has to be a variation, even a variation in simple things like squats, like wide squats, curtsy squats, and those kind of things. Just shifting the position can give you a lot of change, and they can show results.
And one more thing is where I see a lot of people, they don't wear a belt or something to support. See, if you're doing a heavyweight, slightly, it's a reason why you have a belt, why they've invented that. You need to support your back. And trust me, you're hurting your back is something you wouldn't want to do
Listen, this is
because that's,
listen, listen. If somebody's holding, doing a deadlift or a weighted squat, a huge weighted squat, or squats or something like that, it is sometimes people doing the exerciser does not remember, or they're in that josh ki mujhe kuch nahi hoga. It is the trainer's responsibility, whether the trainer is being paid to spot that person, or just loitering around and watching that person do it. It is that person's responsibility
agreed, but
to tell
but
that client.
agreed. But nowadays, since the biggest trainer has become the internet, I think that is something again
Oh
the
my God,
internet
you're
has
so
to
right.
take.
You're so right.
So I don't blame the trainers. So nowadays the internet, it's like, when we need help in our assignments, we have Professor Google. So now I think it's, reaching a stage when you want to
You're so
lose weight,
right.
it's going to, if you want to lose weight, it's going to be, a professor like that. So
Absolutely. Absolutely.
there are different ways, there are different things. So anyways, so it was just a thing, I've been noticing about weight. So I thought let us just share it. And as Gauri has told, there's nothing called quick results. You cannot have, I know there are people guaranteeing you quick results. They'll ask you to do weird things. Oh, that is not, trust me, that doesn't stay, that doesn't sustain. Go for sustainability. I repeatedly say this in every video because sustainability is the key thing. If you can't sustain it, you cannot go forward.
And
Okay.
I have to say something. I mean, there are people out there when I mean, I've seen this a lot because I train, and I I'm a coach, and plus I do a lot of and I'm a dietitian. So in all three runs, I see a lot of people coming and saying, "Arey, but this is easy. This is not going to give me results." When you start from 0 or -1 and you do something the first day, it does not matter. The whole point is to do something simple over and over again so that you can become good at it, and then you can up your game. Okay,
Correct.
then you bring then the you can up your game, you add the weights, you add the other variations and things like that. That's when it happens. Nothing good happens overnight, whether it's in your weight training, whether it's in your diet. I hate saying that word diet.
See, okay,
Whether it's in
okay.
your nutrition plan and those kind of things.
I'm reminded of a phrase. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. I'm not very good at phrases. But if I'm not right, Rome was not built in a day
In
or
a
something
day,
like that,
that's
correct?
right. Rome was
Rome
not
was
built
not
in a
built
day.
in a
And
day.
when in Rome, dress like Romans,
So
right? Yeah.
this is like Rome, you know. Give it time, give it patience.
Absolutely.
Anybody trying to tell you, अरे ऐसे कर दूंगा आराम से हो जाएगा, please don't.
Remember,
Don't go
nobody
for a
else
crash
can.
diet.
No.
See,
So this is
a
something
crash
that
course, a crash diet, a crash weight loss doesn't work.
does not work. Does not work. Your body is a temple. Your body is a palace. Okay. It does not
There
get
comes the
built.
fitness professional out.
Yeah. Does not get built over in overnight. Okay. Give it time. Give it
See,
time. You will
so
see the results.
Gauri has put it in a nutshell. Okay, I think we've given enough yarn today, Gauri.
Yarn
And
today.
before I end it, one more thing. I keep putting up a lot of posts about me sweating it out and how I drench it, guys. I sweat it out for very simple because I run outdoors and I live in a place where humidity is even at the highest in December. When it's nice and
Absolutely.
cold in north, here it is always sultry, and I drink enough water. I don't have that itna pani pina. When I'm thirsty, I drink. Okay, it's like that. Even during my runs, I stop. I keep myself hydrated and continue my run. I don't say that no water for
That's
1 hour.
true.
I'll fall down. You'll find me above gir gaya bichara.
Say, listen, at the end of the day, the you are the best judge of what is good for you. You know your situation, you know your environment, you know what works for you. And you need those kind of professionals who can help you help yourself. That's it.
And if you're looking for professional help, we have enough people now on board. I have nutritionists, I have physiotherapists, some of the best in the market, personal trainers. Online personal training has started. We already have a new page that's going, Fitness Performance India. You guys can see the page. It's still under development, I would say. It's going to take a few months for me to develop it my way. I'm the slow and steady type of person. But yes, even if you guys are looking for a rehabilitation workout or you're looking at nutritional advice, or you're looking at personal training online, or you're just looking at advice and help that, okay, help us. We will craft whatever is required for you. So get in touch with us with
Absolutely.
whatever queries, whatever issues you have. We're all ears. We'll work out the best package for you. So get in touch. We have the best professionals. They are highly experienced. I can guarantee that because trust me, these are people I have learned, I have worked with. So I can assure you they're very, very safe and they're very, very good. So, guys, this was a great session. Gauri, I thank you again. Thankfully, internet didn't just went circle twice only today.
I
I
know, I
thought,
saw that.
yeah, we
It went to
for
eat.
for for Diwali, I'm going to buy for Gauri, dongle here, Gauri, uninterrupted, the 4G, 5G.
Antennas.
Talking about Diwali, now it's becoming a very, very tough this thing at home. Yeah. Every time you go to the kitchen, there's some sweet being already start to prepare.
We're going to talk about that later. Not today, not today. That's my favorite time of the year.
Remember, Gauri, you're on weight loss, right? Or not weight gain. No?
Hey, I'm
This was
managing my own weight. Thank you very much.
yeah. Don't worry. If you need help, get in touch with me.
I
I know how to
will, I
train.
will.
Okay.
Thank you.
So, anyway, this was a good session. Gauri, take care. Bye. Thank you, guys. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. I think Gauri is having internet trouble, so right time to say bye. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you guys like it. It's Gauri and Hustling Muscles signing off. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend ahead.